Good morning, witches. Welcome to Witchy Wisdoms Wednesday, a witchy collaboration. This week's witchy wisdom is on witchy tips. Make sure to check out Amethyst Ascension, AstariaSen, and SpiderWeaver. You'll find their links to their pages down in the description box below. You want to go check them out because all of their tips will be different than the rest, and you'll get 16 new witchy tips. Alright, witches, let's blow this candle out and get started. Alright, witches, this is your 6 witchy tips on 6 herbs you probably have in your kitchen cabinet right now. This is not a complete listing, these are just the tips. Rosemary, a hardy herb that's ruled by the element of fire. It's easy to grow and even easier to source. You can likely find it at your local grocer in both the dried and fresh herbs. Now, rosemary is well known for its use in marriage, love, making an impression, fidelity, and dispelling jealousy. Rosemary is an herb that, if you're looking for love, is one you want to have in your back pocket. Bay leaves come from the bay laurel tree. It's ruled by the element fire and is readily available in your grocery store in the dried herb section. If you carry bay leaves on you, it brings luck and keeps away misfortune. If you write a wish on a bay leaf and burn it, your wish will be granted. Basil is an herb that is well known, and there are many types. It is readily available in your grocery store in the dried herb section. It is ruled by the element of fire. Basil is great for money. If you're a salesperson and you carry it on you, it helps attract customers. If you keep some in your wallet, it'll keep money coming at you. And if you own your own storefront, keep some in your register to keep the money flowing. Sea salt, ruled by the element of water, readily available in all grocery stores. Now, sea salt is used for protection and to take away negativity, but it's not limited to those. You can use sea salt in almost any spell working you do. Cinnamon. The lovely aromatic cinnamon is ruled by the element of fire. It is easily sourced and you can get it at your local grocer in either the ground version or sticks. Now, cinnamon is a power herb and it can be added to any spell work to give it the boost it needs. Thanks for watching our witchy tips. Now, don't forget to go check out the other ladies' pages. Their links are in the description.